안녕하세요. 최혜은은 디샨다입니다. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today I will be unboxing my MorpheMe from Live Glam subscription. I will leave all the information down below about MorpheMe. This is not my first time getting this subscription. This is actually my second time getting this particular subscription. I did not unbox the first one that I got in March on my channel. I just didn't unbox it because, I don't know, I was lazy. But I decided to go ahead and do this one. Thought, someone might be interested in it. I'll leave all the information down below about MorpheMe. You can subscribe if you want to. But basically what this is a monthly subscription that is $19.99 a month, and they will send you, in this particular subscription, makeup brushes. So if you are a makeup brush collector like I am, and if you are a new to makeup and you want to build your makeup brush collection, this is a perfect subscription to get to start that. Alrighty, so it comes in a package that looks like this that says MorpheMe on it. You get usually 4 to 8 brushes. They also have a subscription for liquid lipstick, and I do get that one as well. I've been getting that one since February, and that one's the same price, $19.99 a month, and you get 3 liquid lipsticks, and they're actually really, really good formula, and you get 3 for $19.99, so that's a really, really good deal, and they have different formulas and things like that. And again, I'll unbox that one for April when I get it. I don't have it yet. But I've been getting that subscription since February, and I like it a lot. They also have one that hasn't started yet called Shadow Me, and that one will be every other month for eyeshadows, and there's a wait list for that one. And speaking of wait lists, for MorpheMe for the brushes, there was a wait list when I subscribed in February. I subscribed February the 8th. And I was waitlisted until February the 27th. And then I got off the wait list and I got the brushes for the month of March, in the first week of March. So, and what I like about the Live Glam subscription is that you can choose to get your subscription either every 3 months, every 6 months, or yearly. And you can also change the billing date if you want to as well. So a lot of flexibility there. All right, so every month you get a card, and for the brushes, this is the theme. It is Spring Fling for April 2018. And when you open this up, this is what the little brochure looks like. The girl is very pretty. I love her hair and her flower crown. So this tells you about the brushes that you are going to get. There's looks like there's 4 this month. All right, and yeah, that's just what the other side looks like there. So the theme is Spring Fling, like I had mentioned before. And let's look at the brushes that I got, shall we? All right, so when I open up the package here, these are the 4 brushes that I received. As you can see, they're still in the plastic, like that. Woo-hoo. There you go. The first one is the R2. This is the Morphe R2. It says it. Can you see that? R2D2. That's what I'm thinking of. R2D2. There's the R2 there. And I'm going to take it out of the packaging. This is what it looks like. It's really soft. Very soft, and I like the gold barrel here, and it says Morphe on it, but it's super soft. And the R2 brush, it's a pro tapered powder brush, so you can see, I'm not sure if you can tell, it is kind of tapered and it's fluffy, so it can be a powder. Used for powder rather. It says stay shine free during those long festival days with this pro tapered powder brush. This rounded brush can do it all. Use it to evenly apply blush, bronzer, and powder, and you'll be all set for the weekend. Okay, so the theme is festival, which is cool because we're getting into festival season. It's starting to become, it'll be summer. Summer's around the corner. That's when all the concerts and festivals start. I know that, like, where I'm from in Chicago, there is Lollapalooza. Here where I live in Tennessee, we have Bonnaroo, and then concerts are happening. Like, I know that for me, K-Con's coming around the corner this summer. Oh my gosh, y'all, my favorite, Logic, is coming to Tennessee. Oh my God, I love Logic. I've been a fan since 2014. I'm going down a rabbit hole. I'm sorry, I digress, but I'm excited about Logic. Bruno Mars is coming. There's a lot. Jay-Z and Beyonce, a lot of concerts are coming, so that's the theme. So this is a cool brush. I'm happy to get this. Like I said, it's soft. Sorry I went down that rabbit hole there. Let's talk about the next set of brushes, shall we? The next set of brushes are the E11 and E17, which are these two. So this here is the E17. That's what it looks like in the package there, as you can see. Let me open her up, if I can, and show her to you. Come on out, E17. Ooh, it's soft. It's kind of, ooh, it's a little soft. Yep, it's a little soft. That's what it looks like there. And again, it says, oh, can you see the barrel? It says Morphe on there. And then the next brush, this is the E11. There it is. Couldn't find the opening. And this one looks like an angled brush for your eyebrows. Ooh, I like the barrel. It's like a silver barrel. Look at that brush. It's kind of angled. You can see that. And it's really stiff. So this is like for maybe eyebrows or maybe eyeliner. Maybe eyebrows, because it looks kind of big. And again, there's the Morphe signature there. And these two brushes here, my friends, together. These here are the angled brow, like I thought. This one is the angled brow. And this one is the Precision Crease Blender. And this is what it says. Start off your spring fleeing glam by snatching those brows with the stiff angled brow brush, then creating a show-stopping eye look with the Crease Precision Blender. Its tapered point can be used for definition for a soft, diffused look. And yeah, see this right here? This brush, I would definitely use this for blending out my eyeshadow. Absolutely. I would use this as a blending brush. 1000%. And I like these brushes. Nice long handles. They look very professional. I love these. Awesome, awesome. And then my last brush is the E47, which is our flat contour angled brush. And I've never had a contoured brush before, believe it or not. Out of all the brushes I have, I don't have a contoured angle one. Let me see if I can get her out of here. Come on out. Ooh. This is what she looks like out the baggie. It's angled, as you can see, and it's flat. There's the Morphe logo there. And like I mentioned, this one is the E47. Focus, focus, hocus pocus. All right, so this one says festival grounds may be muddy, but your contour won't with this small, flat, angled contour brush. Use it to contour your nose, create a sharp cheekbone, and clean up eyeshadow. So yeah, this is for like this would fit. It's small and my face is small, so this would fit perfectly in my cheek area, my nose. Oh yeah, awesome. So that's all of my brushes that I got, guys. Let me go ahead and recap. Whoopsie. I got 4 this month. These are the 4 that I got. I got the contour brush, which is here, the brow brush and the blending, and then the tapered powder. Look at that. Awesome. This is, like I said, this is my second time getting this subscription. And the first, last month, I got, I believe, 4 brushes also. And I've been enjoying them because, I mean, you can't go wrong with makeup brushes. These things are essential when it comes to doing makeup. That's how I blend my makeup and get it really, really good, is brushes. Nothing but brushes. All right, guys. So if you get MorpheMe, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about these brushes. I think they're very good quality. These are my first time getting Morphe brushes like in a set like this. So like I said, so far I'm happy with this subscription. All right, guys. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to rate and comment, because I do like comments. I read comments. I like to interact and talk with you guys. And yeah, I will talk to you guys next time, all right? Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난